Hello and welcome back to Python 2020. As a very common requirement of Excel automation is VLookup. So we do perform VLookup to get the data of the matching column values from another sheet or another Excel file. Same thing we do in databases using join action, left join, right join. Similar thing in Pandas is done by merge data frame. Today we will see how to merge two different data frames and select the required columns from one data frame to another data frame, and then we will write the result to Excel, which will become Excel automation as well. Okay, I will be writing the code in Jupyter Notebook, and if you are not familiar with Jupyter Notebook, here I have listed down my channel link and few videos which you can see before you watch this video or after watching this video. And you can write this code into any editor if you are using Jupyter Notebook or you are using PyCharm or any other code editor. I will be sharing this code file and data file as well, so you don't have to worry about the code, just understand the concept. And the link of the code will be mentioned somewhere in between of this video. So please watch complete video, get the link, download the data and practice. Okay, so let's start now. These are few videos on my channel if you want to have a look. And in the end of the video, we will have all of these files which are created right now. These are the result of different merge operations. You can write this to database or you can write this to your data frame, depends on your requirement. Now I am back to my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so first of all we have to import pandas, and if you don't have pandas you can install pandas and open pyxl using these two commands which I have mentioned. One by one you have to execute. Okay, now shift enter to run this cell. Now, first of all, we have to read all three sheets. So let me show you the data now. I have the data here. This is the first sheet, and you can see there are 2000 records, and these are all columns. In this sheet, there are few rows, not all the rows from this data. Few selected rows I have taken. 579 is the row count, and in this sheet, I have taken same 579 records with few columns. So first of all, let's read all of these sheets into data frames. Shift enter. Okay, now we have all three data frames. As the first of all, what we will do that we will perform lookup between these two sheets. So here is the code. This is the common column name between both the files. Order ID in this sheet, order ID in this sheet, and we are performing left merge. So the left merge means that all the columns from the left, which is the left data frame here, details. Okay, and here is the details data frame definition. You can see here all the columns from the left will be performed with the match result in right column, in right data frame. So the match result from here will be displayed. Okay, let me run this. Shift enter. So you see the order column is available in both the data frames. So when you will download the file from the link and then you will see, then you will be able to compare it, what I am saying. So this is from the first one and this is from the second one. Now customer ID. Customer ID is not there in the details, which is the left data frame. It is available only in the right data frame. So this record is not available. This record was not available. Only this is the common record which is found, and we have the customer ID. All right. Let's check this. So 56. So I will go back to the sheet in order details. 56 is not there. Okay. When you will go to second one, 88, you will find is there, and what is the customer ID? This is the customer ID 13045. So let's see what is the customer ID 13045. Now we will write these results into Excel in the end of this script. So this is first, you hope you can see the code on your screen right now. Okay, now let's go to the next step. So now what I have done, that I have changed the data frames. So when I have changed the data frame, let me run this code, shift enter. You will see this is the DF customer is the left data frame now. And in DF customer, how many columns we have? These all columns, right? Till here. And the postal code column is coming from details. So this order ID is coming from details. So you can see the order ID here, which is the common column. And if you see the order date is two times. So this is X and this is Y, because we are selecting from details as well. And it is already available in customer. Okay, so I have mentioned same thing here. Now, if you don't want and you want to remove, just remove this column, do shift enter once again. You will see that order date is coming only one time. All right, but I will just revise my changes and do shift enter once again. So before I go ahead, you can see this link and you can download the file. Entire code is available in that file. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit a like button. Now let's go to next step. Next step is that I want few columns from left data frame. I want few columns from right data frame. So then what we have to do? So here I have done same thing. So from customer, I want only order ID. And then before the merge, we have taken this. So this is the change of the code if you compare these two lines. So I want only this column from left data frame, and from right data frame, I want these columns. So if I will do shift enter now, so only one column has come from there, and that is the common column, so it is not repeated. And then there are two more columns if you see. Right, hope this is clear to you. I will go to the next step now. You can pause the video here and you can have a look. So next step is like when we don't have same column names. So column names are different. I will show you in the sheet. Here you see this is order, and here if you see it is order ID. But data is matching in both the data frames. And we have taken, just for your refreshness. Okay, so just for your quick reference, we have taken all the sheets here. All right, I am coming down. You can note down the data. You can note down the data frame name from here for only orders. Okay, so when name is not same, what we can do, that we have to give the key in the left side and we have to give the key in the right side also. And if you want to use multiple keys, you can just use comma here, and then you can give another key, and you can give another key here also. Okay, but that is not in the scope of this video right now, because I want to keep this very simple. So I'll just run this. So from this side, from left hand side, this is the left. So now this is the left and this is the right. So left, all the columns will come, and right also we have the same column. That is why all the odd columns are coming two times. Let me tell you what I am trying to say. So all the columns are same in order details, all the columns are same in only orders also. So both, that's why you see all the columns are coming two different times. And if you will see the result, this column, this order is not available. So you will see all the Y will be NaN for this one. You will write this result into Excel also in the end. And if you see the results are available here. Okay. You can see the code on your screen, I hope. Now you don't want all the columns. You want only few columns and your IDs, your column names are different into left and right. You want order ID here and order here. So I'll just do shift enter. So you can see only two columns are there. If you want more columns, you can keep adding names this side. So this is the left, which is DT details. So if you want to add, just add a column name from here. You can take product name, for example. Okay, product name, do shift enter. So you have the product name here. All right, just see this till end. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now in the end, we will write the result into different Excels. And I will do shift enter. This index files you can copy it to other data frame also. Okay, so the field is executed. You have the index here. Now let's see. So these are the files, different files. Let me open this A. So we have a row ID. Let's go to end. So you see, we have customer ID also. So what is the data frame A? So wherever the result is not there, then you will see this blank. These are the all columns from details sheet, and after these order Y. So order is there two times. So Pandas has created a duplicate column name and then customer ID. All right. All the files are created with the data frames. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you very much for your time. Please share my videos to your friends, to your social media channel, and your likes and comments will really help me. Thank you very much.